Hello, welcome back to my channel, Aspiring Professionals. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to be a true standout at work. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these expert tips will help you master the art of professionalism and shine in any workplace. So, grab your notepad because we're about to unveil the secrets to becoming your absolute best in the professional world. Let's jump right in. Professionalism is important in the workplace because it helps to create a positive and productive environment. When employees are professional, they are more likely to be respectful of each other, get along well, and work together effectively. This can lead to increased productivity, improved customer service, and a better overall work environment. Professionalism in the workplace is the ability to conduct oneself in a way that is appropriate and respectable. It is about demonstrating the qualities and behaviors that are expected of a professional, regardless of the specific job or industry. There are many ways to demonstrate professionalism in the workplace. Here are a few tips. 1. Dress appropriately. Follow the dress code of your workplace and ensure your attire is clean, neat, and professional. 2. Punctuality. Arrive on time for meetings, deadlines, and work shifts. Being punctual demonstrates reliability. 3. Communication. Maintain clear and respectful communication with colleagues, superiors, and clients. Listen actively and express your ideas clearly. 4. Time management. Organize your tasks, set priorities, and manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and avoid last-minute rushes. 5. Work ethic. Be diligent, thorough, and committed to your tasks. Show initiative and take ownership of your work. 6. Adaptability. Be open to changes and willing to learn new skills. Adapt to new challenges and show flexibility in your approach. 7. Teamwork. Collaborate well with colleagues, share credit, and contribute positively to team dynamics. Be willing to help and support your co-workers. 8. Problem solving. Approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Analyze problems, seek creative solutions, and ask for help when needed. 9. Professionalism. Maintain a positive attitude, even in challenging situations. Avoid office politics, gossip, and conflicts. Treat everyone with respect. 10. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends and developments. Invest in your professional growth through courses, workshops, and self-study. 11. Feedback. Accept constructive feedback gracefully and use it to improve your skills and performance. 12. Ethics and integrity. Uphold ethical standards in your work, and always act with honesty and integrity. 13. Respect. Professionals respect themselves, their colleagues, and their clients. They treat everyone with dignity and courtesy. 14. Diligence. Professionals are diligent and hard-working. They take pride in their work and do their best to produce high-quality results. As you embark on your journey to professional excellence, remember that success is built on consistent effort and the determination to be the best version of yourself. By applying these strategies, you're well on your way to creating a lasting impression, building strong relationships, and achieving your career goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to your bright and prosperous future as a true professional. Remember, being professional is a combination of your behavior, attitude, and skills. Consistently practicing these tips will help you excel in your career. Thanks for watching.